I'm going to give you a full ride on the Schindler moving walkways. Ooh, nice new Ford Ranger. We're leaving the hotel. Schindler. Could ride, or in my case, walk. This could be a ride. This could be an idea on how one of these babies run. There's the indoor pool. Looks like a great place to play Little Mermaid. Ooh, nice Toyota 4Runner. Yuck, Jeep Renegade, Jeep Wrangler, Dodge Ram 1500. They're all three are notoriously unreliable. Schindler. Buick Park Avenue. Those are killer cars, man. Those could be killer cars, especially these supercharged 300, which could last for, those things could run forever. Ever so popular since the F-Series first came out. Jeez. Those kids scare me. Those kids scared me. I like Silverados. They're okay, but they're okay. Okay, I guess, but not as good as the 05 models. Yeah, I prefer the design that's as old as me as the new, as referred to the new ones. Ford Explorer, Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Impala, GMC Yukon, Kia Sorento, Hyundai Tucson, Infiniti QX80. Man, those things are incredibly luxurious. Lexuses are also real luxurious and they're reliable. Oh gosh, got a bunch of kids coming. Schindler. That goes up to the terminal. Hyatt Regency Hotel over here. That goes up to the terminal. And this goes to the row 1 of the long-term parking lot. That goes to 4 to 8 rows. Not sure what this is for. Don't know what that's for. Coming back into the hotel. So you're having an idea of our revolving systems.